Hey guys, it's Glitzy Gears, and today we're going to be squishy unboxing. I'm so excited, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, first we're going to be opening the Color Change Neatos. I'm so excited, and we have all three colors. So, these are the Groovy Glob color changes. This is the yellow one. As you, if you have one of these, you know it says Neato right here. Let's just see what color it turns into. That's so pretty. It reminds me of the sunset. The butter! Woo! Let's open him up. The squeezy butter. I never thought I'd be holding him. He does have some air, but that's okay. We can fix. He's so soft. I want y'all to like this video. If you I want you to like this video if this is one of your dream squishies. Because it was one of mine and I can't believe I actually got it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, click that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Remember, stay glitzy.